Quick reading for February the 5th to February the 6th, Aquarius. We have the Ace of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. So, pwedeng nakikita natin dito yung mood swings natin, nagpapabago-bago, no? Pwede kasing merong mga ginagawa itong si person na parang hindi natin gusto or hindi tayo nasa-satisfy. Magkakaroon naman ito, yung swings na ito or yung ginagawa ni person din, no? Nagpapabago-bago din. It depends on how you react on a situation. So, pwede nating sabihin na kung ano yung nire-react natin, kung ano yung ibinibigay din natin kay person, yun din yung ginagawa nila sa atin. So, somehow meron dito mirrored energy, no? And with that being said, kapag ganun yung nangyayari, dapat mas appreciative tayo, no, para at least yung binibigay nila ay na-appreciate niya, so mas dadagdagan ko, no? So this is your quick reading, Aquarius, for February the 5th to February the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.